Breaking news tonight, there has been an earthquake off the coast of Honduras.
Massive earthquake off the coast of Honduras.
This is the strongest earthquake.
A powerful earthquake has toppled more than 2,000 homes in Honduras and Belize.
A powerful earthquake hit Honduras early Thursday. The 7.1 magnitude quake was felt as far as Belize and Guatemala.
A 7.1 magnitude earthquake rocks Honduras. The quake struck at 2:24 this morning, and so far 5 people have been confirmed dead, 4 of them children.
It was the most powerful earthquake I've ever experienced.
Hi, welcome to Samudra News. I am Bong. I am fine. An earthquake of magnitude 7.3 just struck the Atlantic coast of Honduras on May 28, 2009. It was the strongest earthquake felt in Honduras in the past 3 decades. Several smaller quakes followed, notably on June 8 and 15, with magnitudes of 5.4 and 4.8.
7 people were killed and 40 were injured, and most of the buildings were damaged. The port terminals, bridge, and lifts were seriously damaged. Many water systems were damaged due to the earthquake, and the sea level increased after the earthquake, causing minor floods. Belize lies between the North American plate, Central American plate, and Caribbean plate. And there is a transformed plate boundary right there. Mr. Andrew Cho, the Chief Geologist in the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, he said that the friction caused by the 2 plates sliding each other will build up pressure. So energy is being built up there. And when the energy overcomes the frictions, and it breaks the rocks, it will cause the energy to be released in the form of earthquake. The Red Cross and Red Crescent were the first respondents during the disaster. So now we will have Ms. Siti Mastura, the President of Red Cross, to tell us about the first response during this disaster.
Thank you, reporters, for the question. Okay, the Honduran Red Cross has 52 local branches in 18 departments with a volunteer network 3,500 people, including the Regional Intervention Team, which is RIT, National Intervention Team and IT members coordinate through the Central Disaster Response Office. Since the beginning of the emergency, the Honduran Red Cross, which is as a headquarters, has been in a constant communication with the local branches to update the information on the damage and need assessment to perform in affected area. Okay, next, for the NIT team, which is National Intervention Team, that has been activated to provide the disaster response to support the affected area. And then the local branch of the HRC in the Puerto Cortes distribute water for only 10 days that benefiting to the approximately 2,500 people per day. HRC, which is the Honduran Red Cross, their action is to assist 800 families, include the provision of food items in the most affected department. Okay, as we know, on 15 June 2009, the Honduran government declared a national state of emergency and allocate funds to assist the affected families with the construction materials such as lime, cement, sand, and they need a lot of money for those families where their home were completely destroyed.
Thank you, Ms. Siti Mastura. The Honduras earthquake causes several major impacts on the marine ecosystem, especially coral reefs. Now, we'd like to direct you to the marine ecologist, Professor Nurul Amira, to explain the impacts on marine ecosystem.
So, hi, I'm sorry for the news. I
have meeting just now and I just go back from lab. So what can I help you with?
So, Professor, I would like to ask you about what are the impacts of the disaster in Honduras marine ecosystem.
I see. Let me check my email first. Okay, so the impacts of marine ecosystems due to the Honduran earthquake of 2009 is it has destroyed half of the coral reefs of Belize variant of reef lagoons. So they found approximately half of the reef corals slopes had slapped off and slid into a deeper water. So as a result, only sediments and skeletal corals remained. So because of that, marine organisms on the deep water might be affected due to the incomes of the rubbles from the coral reefs. So as the coral reefs destroyed, many fish doesn't have homes, they lost their habitat and they even lost their shelter. So as a result, the economy and the tourism is decreasing. So it affected the community at Honduran as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Nurul Amira. Next, the earthquake causes a huge impact on the social economy of the country. Here we brought to you Ms. Noor Alia Nadira, environment conservationist, to further explain what actually happens to the social economy of the country.
Hi, Miss. Yeah, hi. So I have a few questions. Yes. So, what is the impact? What are the impacts on earthquake on social economy?
Based on my observes, about 40 municipalities that occurred during the earthquake is 40 municipalities, and apart from that, I know that about 450 homes destroyed, and 3,271 homes damaged, and 48 from the educational sector, such as like schools, universities, that section also damaged. So another that social ecosystems that damaged is the water systems, also damaged due to the earthquake, and coastal towns such as the Puerto Corte, which is the sea level rises increase after the earthquake, and that causing the flood. And the infrastructure such as the bridge, which is a democracy bridge, and electric system also contain sustained damage in the city of the El Progreso and Puerto Corte.
Thank you, Ms. Noor Alia Nadira. Please hold on while we connect you to our field reporter in Belize. Oh, here they are.
Hola.
Hello?
Am I bother you?
No.
Can you speak in English?
Yes, a little bit. Why?
Can I ask you a question about the disaster that occurred in your country recently?
Yes.
How do you feel after the disaster, the earthquake in your country?
Most of our house has been destroyed by the earthquake, and some of the NGOs, I don't know which NGOs, they and families also, many families, they came to help us by giving us food. They give us tent so that we can live. And also, some of them built back our houses that has been destroyed by the earthquake. And the other NGOs that with the Red Moon, the Red Moon, they give us medicine. That's what I know during the earthquake.
Feel that after the earthquake that occurs in your country recently?
What I feel very glad they came to help us by giving us food, giving us shelter, giving us a place to live, and also I would like to thank my mom for saving me during the tsunami. If she weren't there, I won't be here by now.
That's all for the news today. Thanks for watching Samudra News. I am Paul.